Welcome to Hashtag Mark channel. Today in this video I have come up with a new updates. Should I say solution or tricks? Oh yeah, that's a tricks. So today I'll show you the tricks how to fix the error. Recently AdSense have updated their new policies to add ads.txt files in your root level of your domains like Blogger, WordPress, and so on. So many have already add the files, but the error was never fixed. So today in this video I'll guide you how to fix that error. So without wasting any time, let's straight away get right into PC. Okay, right now we are in the PC. So for this tutorial video I have taken some screenshots from my Blogger and AdSense accounts. So all the screenshots I have saved in this folder. So let me open this folder. So one thing I would like to suggest that please do follow this tutorial video properly so that you won't miss out anything in the future. So you might have come across the error or the notification that to fix an ads.txt file on this top of the interface. So there will be an option to download the ads.txt file. So once you click the download, you can paste the download files in the notepad or anywhere. Suppose I have downloaded the text files and I have copied, and let me paste it here. So one thing, remember that you have to replace these options with your AdSense publisher ID. So suppose you have opened your AdSense account and click on this account option, and then there will be an publisher ID. So copy that publisher ID and go back to where you have pasted the files. So replace these numbers with your publisher ID. Suppose you have copied the publisher ID like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you have to paste the publisher ID likewise, and then save the files for later use. And then once you have completed, open your Blogger account and then go to settings here, go to settings and then click on search preferences. In the search preferences, you will see this monetizations custom ads.txt. So click on this edit option, and then there will be two options. One is enable yes and no. So you have to click on the yes option. So suppose you have saved the ads.txt files. So once you copy these text files, and then you have to paste in these options. Once you paste, click on save, and then you'll have to wait a few days or a week. Some might take a couple of days, if not it might take 2 to 3 weeks or a month. It depends on the concerned team. So in my situations, I have waited more than a month, but it was never ever fixed. So I tried finding a solutions from YouTube and then blog, but I got no answer, no solution. So I tried one tricks, and then finally it was solved. So the trick was that after completing those steps, and if your problems was not solved, go to your AdSense account, and then from your AdSense accounts you can see this feedback options. Just below the account options, there's a feedback option. Once you click here, a tiny screen will pop up. So let me show the screenshot. So this is how it's going to pop up. So here in the blank index, you have described your problems, that what are the issues that you're getting. So type into sentence, or you can make it short. So after describing your issue, you have to take the screenshot. So here they have given an options to mark the particular area that's which you have faced the problem. So once you click here, there will be options to mark the area. So you can mark the particular area like this, and then click on save, and then send it. After sending it, it might take 2 to 3 days. So you will have to wait it for the reply. So once they have resolved the issue, you can check in your AdSense accounts, and then once if the problem was fixed, you will no longer see the error. So in my case, the problem was fixed, so the notification popping up here was no longer here. So again, here is the bell icon. Earlier it was showing an error that to fix the ads.txt files, but right after the problem was solved, it was no longer showing here. So it was showing blank as of now. It means the error has fixed. So this is how you're going to fix the ads.txt files errors. There's a huge impact on ads unless you fix this problem, which means ads will stop showing in your blogs and websites, which might result no earning and no ads display in your websites. So this is very necessary to fix. So let me end this video right here, and if you do like my videos, please do subscribe and please like the videos. Thank you.